Welcome to Quick Learning. In last videos, we have learned different topics of Power BI, including the bar charts, the line charts, pie charts, similarly line graphs, tables, and some other things that can be done in Power BI to make the report good looking and to have better visibility of your KPIs or objectives. In this video, we will be learning a new thing that will be about the funnel diagram in Power BI. To perform this task, we will be clicking on the funnel option. As you have seen in the video, we will be clicking on the funnel diagram and this window will appear in front of you. It has multiple options: category, values, tooltips, etc. What we have to do is we have to select our data options and we have to drag and drop these data values in this values tab. So we have to decide which values we want to present in this funnel diagram. So I will start one by one. First, I have selected the HFO electricity in kilowatt hours. So I have dragged and dropped it in the values category. Then I will be going from next category, that is HFO consumption in kgs. And you can see that the funnel is showing it in the form of second horizontal bar. You can see right now the graph is selected, so it is showing the total consumption and a portion of the selected quarter. The third one that we are going to select will be HFO saved in kgs. I will select it and I will drop it in the values tab again in the third place. So you will see that a third bar is visible here. And you can see this is the HFO saving in kgs and the number of a certain quarter is being shown. At last, we have the HFO loss in kgs. I will drag and drop it in the values section and you can see that this number is also visible here in the funnel graph. So you can see that the values of all these four variables is being shown here. So for this graph, we can do its formatting again from the required data center. You have to select on this format visual option like this here. And in here you have multiple options like colors, data labels, category labels, conversion rate, etc. So in color, you can see that the color of these bars is shown. I can change this color to maybe a dark blue option. Then we have data labels, in which the values are being shown, their size, their color, etc. I can change the color of the values. So in moving forward, we have the background. Right now no background is selected. Then we have category labels. I can turn it on or off. Right now these are on. Then we have the conversion rate to show what is the percentage of the current variable. So these are the options that are available in visual formatting. Then we have general formatting, in where we have properties, the size of this graph or table. Then we have position, padding, title. I can change the title of this graph. I can change its alignment, the size of font, color of the font, text of the font. Like I am changing the font of this graph or this funnel. I am changing it to HF4 data details, and you can see that its size can be increased, its color can be changed, and there are multiple options that are available for this. The style of heading can be changed. So we have all these formatting options available for this heading section, title section. Then we have subtitles. These are currently off. Dividers, spacings between the bars, and the effects in which we can change the color of background. For example, let's try some other color. This is a light gray color. We can go for some other option as well as per our convenience. Further, we can go to other colors option at the bottom and can make any blend of colors that is more suitable and presentable in our report. So this is about the background. Then we have visual borders, shadow, data formatting, in which we can select any particular bar and we can perform the formatting on the values of that particular bar. So in this way, moving forward, we have header icons in which the color of the background, the border icon, all these are visible. So there are multiple options that are being shown here in formatting option. Okay, so next we will explore some other thing in this general formatting. We will go down and we will check for tooltips all text. So these are some of the options that are available in general formatting. So let's come back into the visual formatting to change the format size, the font size of headings or the values. So I have opened the category value. In this I am changing the font size, I am increasing it a little bit. Similarly, we can do some other required options or formattings as well as per our own convenience. So right now you can see that a certain quarter is selected from the data and the dark blue color is being shown here. If I change the quarter type, you can see I have unselected all the quarters and complete bars are visible for complete year 2024. If I select quarter 3, you can see that these graphs are linked with each other. And in last video, we have discussed how to link the timelines of multiple graphs so that you can select any one graph and the timelines can be replicated on other graphs as well. So you can see that now data is visible for complete year 2024. So you can see that in this graph, the font in the bars is black, so it's not that much visible. So what we should do is we should change the font color to maybe some lighter color. So I will find out from this option of visualization how to change the color of font. So no, this is not the right option. In this way the label color is changed. So I have to find the values option here. So I will change it to light color, maybe white. So in this way the font or the values inside the bars are visible, but for that I need to change the background of this funnel. So such color which will be more suitable for the headings of bars and the values of bars as well. So if I make it a bit darker, then the headings will not be visible. So I need to find a better, a combination of the colors which will be more suitable for my funnel diagram. So you can choose any color as per your own convenience. So which color will be more suitable as per your theme or your company's guidelines. So it's all up to you. You can save the report by clicking the save icon at the very top row on the very left side. So you can play with this graph. You can select multiple colors and I hope this video will be very helpful for all of you. For any question, you can just write in comments tab. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.